Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Air Force One is also equipped with secure communications equipment, allowing the aircraft to function as a mobile command center. Several cargo planes, including C-17 Globemaster transport aircraft, carry the President's fleet of armored vehicles and helicopters, usually landing in advance of his arrival. 2 December 2019.
Take our lead.
The Air Force One photo op incident occurred on the morning of April 27, 2009, when a Boeing VC-25, a Boeing 747 military variant given the call sign Air Force One when the President is aboard, followed by a U.S. Air Force F-16 jet fighter, flew low and circled the upper New York Bay site of the Statue of Liberty.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Air Force usually does not have fighter aircraft escort the presidential aircraft over the United States, but it has occurred. The first instance came during the state funeral of John F. Kennedy, when it was followed by 50 fighters, 20 Navy and 30 Air Force, representing the states of the Union.
Take our lead.
Pension. The Secretary of the Treasury pays a taxable pension to the President. Former presidents receive a pension equal to the pay that the head of an executive department, Executive Level 1, would be paid. As of 2020, it is $219,200 per year. The pension begins immediately after a president's departure from office.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.